Welcome back to Bestex. If you're in the market for a mini wireless keyboard, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into our top picks for the 5 best mini wireless keyboards of 2024. Whether you're looking for compact convenience for your home office, living room setup, or on-the-go use, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest options. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Rechargeable Mini Wireless Keypad. If you're constantly on the go and need a compact yet powerful keyboard for your devices, this mini marvel could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's break down why this Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard is making waves. Measuring just 3.94 by 1.97 by 0.35 inches, this keyboard is sleek and slim, making it the perfect travel companion. It fits effortlessly into your bag, so whether you're headed to a business meeting or just out for a casual day, you won't be weighed down. The keyboard is crafted from high-grade PVC material, making it durable yet comfortable to use. Plus, with a built-in rechargeable battery, you get up to 3-4 hours of use on a single charge. This keyboard features Bluetooth 3.0, ensuring a stable and reliable connection with your devices. It's compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Google Android OS, Windows Mobile, Nokia Symbian 60, and iPhone 4.0 and later. This keyboard is designed for versatility. It's perfect for quick messages, typing out documents, or even gaming. Its ergonomic design helps reduce strain, so you can type comfortably for longer periods. Inside the box, you'll find the wireless keyboard, a USB charging cable, and a manual to get you started. A compact, portable, and versatile keyboard that fits right in your pocket. Whether you're on the go or just looking for a convenient typing solution, this rechargeable mini wireless keypad is worth checking out. Number 4. RE X1 Mini Wireless Keyboard. The RE X1 isn't just any keyboard, it's a compact powerhouse that combines a wireless keyboard, touchpad, and mouse into one sleek device. Let's break down what makes this mini marvel stand out. First off, let's talk design. This mini keyboard packs a punch with its 2.4 GHz wireless connection, giving you control from up to 3-5 meters away. Perfect for those times when you want to lounge back on the couch and still control your PC or smart TV effortlessly. One of the standout features of the RE X1 is its ultra-sensitive touchpad with a 90-degree flip design. This means you get a seamless mouse experience right on your keyboard, making it ideal for navigating through apps, web browsing, or gaming. The RE X1 is a 3-in-1 device keyboard, touchpad, and mouse, all rolled into one. The full-function QWERTY keyboard ensures you can type comfortably, while the touchpad and mouse functions added a layer of convenience you didn't know you needed. And don't worry about constantly recharging. The RE X1 comes with a built-in 450 mAh polymer lithium-ion battery, which is easy to charge with a voltage range of 4.2 volt to 5.5 volt. The battery life is efficient, with auto-sleep and wake-up functions to help conserve power. Compatibility is another strong suit of the RE X1. It works with a range of devices, including CEs, notebooks, smart TVs, 8T PCs, and Android TV boxes. It supports various operating systems like Windows 2000, XP Vista, 7, 8, Linux distributions, and Android OS with a standard USB interface. With dimensions of 150 by 60 by 10 millimeters, the RE X1 is compact and lightweight, fitting comfortably in your hands. Its ergonomic design ensures that you can use it for extended periods without discomfort. Number 3. RE K6 Mini Bluetooth Keyboard. The RE K6 isn't your average keyboard. It's a sleek, backlit, mini wireless keyboard with a built-in touchpad and some seriously cool features. Let's dive into what makes this device stand out. First off, let's talk connectivity. The RE K6 features dual connection modes, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless. This means you can easily switch between devices with just a few clicks. Whether you're using it with your Android TV box, Mac, laptop, or Windows PC, this keyboard has you covered. Switching modes is a breeze. The Bluetooth option is perfect for tablets and smartphones, while the 2.4 GHz wireless mode is great for desktops and laptops. Now, let's talk about the IR learning function. The Rei K6 comes with 10 learning keys, which allow you to program and control your device's remote functions. That means you can toss aside your old remote control and simplify your setup. The backlit design is another standout feature. The Rei K6 includes adjustable backlighting, making it easy to use even in low-light environments. The multi-finger touchpad with mouse left and right buttons adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to navigate and interact with your devices seamlessly. Typing, copying, and pasting are a breeze thanks to the integrated touchpad and 8 hotkeys that let you browse pages and control your content with ease. Despite all these features, the Rei K6 remains incredibly portable and lightweight. It's built for ease of use on the go, whether you're using it for your smart TV desktop or even your Xbox. The built-in Li-ion rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use, with auto-sleep and wake-up functions to help conserve power. Number 2. Rei RT 518S Mini Multimedia Keyboard. The Rei RT 518S is not just any keyboard, it's a compact wireless wonder that combines Bluetooth and RF 2.4 GHz connectivity, a 2-color backlight, and a multi-touch trackpad. Let's dive into the details. The RT 518S features dual modes, Bluetooth and RF 2.4 GHz. Switching between these modes is simple, just press the mode button to toggle between them. This means you can use it with virtually any device, from your Android TV box and smart TV to your PC Mac, or even your Raspberry Pi. The Bluetooth mode is great for tablets and smart devices, while the 2.4 GHz mode is perfect for desktops and laptops. The RT 518S comes with a sleek 2-color backlight. You can choose between blue and green, making it easy to type even in dimly lit rooms. Note that this keyboard doesn't feature a red backlight, but the blue and green options should have you covered. One of the standout features is the large, multi-touch trackpad. It's sensitive and supports multi-point functions, making navigation a breeze. You can zoom in and out with 2 fingers and use single and double finger clicks to perform mouse functions. This trackpad really enhances the keyboard's versatility, making it ideal for everything from browsing to gaming. The RT 518S is compatible with a wide range of systems. It works with Android TV boxes, smart TVs, PC tablets, and more. With its dual connectivity, backlit design, and handy trackpad, the Rei RT 518S Mini Multimedia Keyboard is a fantastic addition to any tech setup. Number 1. Rei E4 Mini Bluetooth Keyboard. The Rei i4 Mini is a dual-mode keyboard that seamlessly switches between Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connections. Whether you're working on a computer, streaming on a smart TV, or gaming on your console, this keyboard has you covered. Let's start with connectivity. The Rei i4 features dual modes Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless. This means you can easily switch between devices with Bluetooth capability and those that require a USB receiver. Simply plug in the USB receiver for a quick plug-and-play setup. The Bluetooth option is perfect for tablets and smartphones, while the 2.4's mode is great for desktops and TV boxes. No matter what device you're using, this keyboard adapts to your needs. The Rei i4 integrates a QWERTY keyboard with a large touchpad and 71 keys. The touchpad supports multi-finger functions, making navigation and control intuitive and efficient. Use a single finger for left click, 2 fingers for right click, and double finger drag to scroll. The keyboard also comes with a new scroll wheel design, which allows you to browse long documents or web pages with ease, just like you would with a mouse. For those late-night sessions or dimly lit environments, the Rei i4 has you covered with its 2-level backlight. You can adjust the brightness to suit your needs by pressing the backlight buttons. The Rei i4 is compatible with a wide range of systems, including Windows, macOS Linux, and Android. It's also great for smart TVs, Xbox, and PS4. No matter what device or system you're using, the Rei i4 is designed to integrate smoothly. And with its compact, mini size, the Rei i4 is easy to carry and use anywhere. Whether you're lounging on the sofa, working at your desk, or controlling your media center, this keyboard makes it convenient. And there you have it, our top 5 mini wireless keyboards for 2024. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect fit for your setup. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.